Political reactions were sharp after the government revealed on Monday the names of three prominent business figures accused of illegal stashing funds in foreign bank accounts. The government filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court naming Pradeep Burman, a former executive director of Dabur Food Group, Rajkot bullion trader Pankaj Chimanlal Lodhia, and Goa mine operator Radha Timlo as among those under scrutiny. It said it was committed to disclose the names of persons holding illegal money following due process of law and in all cases where tax evasion is established. And Samit Prata, BJP spokesperson, called disclosure of the names a historic day in the black money case. The process of disclosure of names has started, Patra told reporters, referring to a list and allegedly contains hundreds of names. But opposition Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh accused the BJP of selective revelation of names and said the process smacked of blackmail, not black money. Several prominent figures of the Congress party, dogged by multi-billionaire dollar graft scandals while in power and reportedly on the list of people with untaxed funds abroad of their names have to be disclosed. BJP leader Subbarajan Swamy said he did not understand why the government had not disclosed all of the names of alleged offenders at once. I do not see any legal issues in releasing all 700 names. I hope the government will release all the names very soon. D. Raja, National Secretary of Communist Party of India, asked the government to reveal all the names. The government has to answer a lot of questions as there is a reluctance on its part to give out all the names. This shows that the government lacks the political will and determination to fulfill its election promises, said Raja. Raja demanded Finance Minister Arun Jaitley follow on his statement that some names in the black money list would embrace the Congress. What happened to those names? Why are the names of political not being revealed as claimed by the BJP? He asked. The Dabur Group said in a statement that Burman opened his foreign account while a non-resident Indian and was legally allowed to open his account. Lodhia told reporters he was in compliance with all tax laws, adding, I have no foreign bank account. Radha Timlo, while speaking to reporters in Panaji, said that she would issue a press statement after going through government's affidavit.